As an admin, you can set up your company's profile in the Agentic platform. To do so, go to My Organization, then Account Details. Here you can add or update your company's name, address, website, time zone, and currency. You can update the name of your company by clicking the modification icon. Change the name, and click Save to save the changes. Next, you can add your company address by clicking Add Company Address. Select a country in the provided list. Specify the address of your company. Optionally, you can add a second address. Specify the city where your company is located. You can also specify in which state your company is located. Specify the postcode or zip code to complete the address. Finally, click Save. Next, click Add Website to add your company's website. Add the URL of your company's website. Then click Save. To change the time zone, click the modification icon. Select a time zone in the provided list and click Save. Finally, you can change the currency by following the same process. Select a currency in the provided list and click Save.